Bitcoin just printed a sell signal today on the daily chart, and it's not just any sell. Guys, what you're seeing right here is called a shooting star candle, and most often, this is going to result in reversals to the downside. You're going to see it happen right here, reversal to the downside with that strong sell signal. We need to be careful because this is introducing a lot of bearish pressure to the market, and this is also a double top, another bearish signal as we touch the red line here as resistance. Trades in favor shows a 70% chance of a drop, and the only bullish signal we are seeing right now is the fact that price versus wall money flow is low with whales buying back in. This is the only saving grace. Right now, we're looking for a potential move down to about $112,000. This is my worst case scenario to start out, but it could get worse from there on higher time frames if we see whales selling out there. Be very careful if you make an entry right now, manage your risk. Let's talk about what happens next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned an insane 306 wins and 0 losses using the signals I'm about to show you in this video. I want you guys to be careful. And as a heads up, we have a brand new future forecast video. The 10-cent XRP and 11-cent XLM prophetic crash warning. We're buying $100,000 in new buy limits to prepare. Guys, this is a very important video. If you are a member here at Trade Confident, you need to watch this closely because today we're preparing for the worst case scenario, which ironically has been confirmed by 3 separate individuals in the prophetic community. If you are a follower of the prophetic, if you are a member at Trade Confident, even if you're not a member, you're going to want to watch this as soon as possible so you can prepare for what happens next. If you're not a member yet, links are in the description down below to sign up for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. What we are seeing right now, first from the TC top and bottom finder, is a sell signal right after testing this red resistance line, which most often is going to reject and bring the price down. With a sell or strong sell signal, this is another confirmation of a potential drop. This is almost always going to result in a move down, even if it's just slight. But guys, based on other signals, like the trades in favor right here, showing a 70% chance of a drop after touching into the short trade zone, this means that upwards momentum has run out and we're likely to crash to the downside. This is 2 out of 3 signals that we are looking for a drop. On top of that, I told you about this shooting star pattern. This is typically a reversal signal after a move up, and this means a strong rejection of a certain level that dropped this candle quickly. In fact, this candle was green yesterday. This was a bullish candle yesterday, but today we saw it ended bearish and posted that sell signal. So this right here is 3, a double top, which is another potential bearish signal, makes it 4 confirmations of a move down. The last saving grace, and I got to tell you, this is a big one, and this is going to put a lot of controversy in the market. Whale money is oversold still and is actively buying into the market. If this green line clears above this little resistance area right here, this is where we could see major moves up because ultimately, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. As this green line moves up, representing whales buying, the price increases. It really is as simple as that, and that's why we need to pay close attention to the price versus whale money flow, both on the daily time frame and if we head to the weekly time frame. This is where I want you guys to be even more careful because price versus whale money flow on the weekly, this is looking out a month or 2 in advance. Whale money is actually selling out of the market, and this is why, even on the daily showing more bullish with the price versus whale money flow, we need to be careful of moves down. Trades in favor is high. We got a sell signal on the weekly time frame. So over the next few months, we are looking more bearish, at least from a technical analysis standpoint. Daily is lined up except for the price versus while money flow low, so we may see a little bit of volatility, but ultimately, guys, I think we need to switch to a more bearish perspective. And something we're going to be talking about in our future forecast today is how we are preparing, especially with major coins like XRP and XLM. Our traders are going to get access to this video along with major important things like the trade setups, coin metrics, morning brew overviews, inner circle live Zoom hangouts, and massive discounts on our indicators. I'm talking up to $550 off. Guys, if you don't have these indicators yet, now is the time to snag them. And if you want to maximize your discount, what you need to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started, and now that you're a member, you're going to save $150 off the Pro Pack with this coupon code. From here, click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you need to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.